Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday. It's Celebration Assembly. Okay. Let's start our assembly in the usual way by welcoming all our birthday boys and girls, mums and dads and brothers and sisters. If you have a birthday this week, you can stand up too. We need to sing you a birthday song. Let's see if I can find the music. Are you ready? Everyone join in. Here we go. Don't forget to smile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children. Happy birthday to you. And a birthday round of applause. Well done if you've had a birthday this week. I hope you've had a really lovely time celebrating with your families. Now, let's see who's been reaching for the stars this week. I know lots of you have. I've been looking at Facebook again this week and I'm so impressed with everything you're doing. You really are reaching for the stars. But we've chosen 5 boys and girls again this week that are going to have a special mention for their extra effort. So let's see who they are. First of all, for respect, this week we have Gabriel Kenny. Do you want to know what Gabriel's been doing so well? Well, he's been reaching for the stars at home. He's shown great respect by helping his family with the chores, such as making the bed and even washing up. Well done, Gabriel. We're really proud of you. Wow, well done to you. I wonder who's been enjoying their learning this week. Should we find out? It is Hugo Harrison. Well done, Hugo. Hugo is embracing working from home. That means he's really getting on with it. And he's joining in with all the activities posted by our school on Facebook. He is doing it with a smile on his face. He must be enjoying it then. And he's putting in lots of effort too. He has even enjoyed helping his mum to create some videos for her Talking Tots classes. Well done, Hugo. So, who's been achieving this week? It goes to Freddie Crawford. Freddie's teachers say he is a learning machine at the moment. The work he has been producing has been fantastic. And he has achieved so much whilst learning at home. Well done, Freddie. And this week, the award for care goes to Brienne O'Shea. Brienne has helped her mummy to collect and deliver face visors to some staff in care homes. They thought about how it's important to help staff who are doing a great job at looking after people. Brienne helped to count out the visors so that the care homes had the right amount. Well done, Brienne. What a kind and caring thing to do. I agree. Well done to you. And finally, we've got our award for being healthy. And this week it goes to Ella Mortlock. Ella has really enjoyed riding her bike at Chalkies. I've noticed that as well, Ella. She has also been trying to teach the other children how to ride their bikes too. What a great way for us all to exercise and stay healthy. Well done, Ella. Fantastic awards this week, boys and girls. Hope you've enjoyed our celebration assembly today. And I'll see you again on Wednesday, won't I, for our singing assembly. Have a lovely weekend. Look after one another and I'll see you soon. Bye.